Hi, Bill and Shoma. There's some new updates for taskfreak. I understand that you are not being able to upload files on taskfreak. So let me just give you some more updates that we found out while using taskfreak. Let me log in with my username and password. Okay, uh, let's start by adding a new task. I gather that you guys have managed to understand how to create a project and add users to that project. So that's, I guess, you all are good with that. Let's create a new task and see how we can add files to that. Now, with creating a new task, make sure that all the fields have their proper values. The priority field can have an urgent priority and a high priority. So the chronological order goes, one. This is one for urgent and nine for whatever. So you can set the priorities accordingly. Let's make this a high priority. So this will be two. But the context has to be changed as well, and if there's a valid context which you want to have to be here in the drop down is not there, please mention that. I'll add that into the task freak. Bill, in the last tasks that you've created for Atlas steps, as you can see, the context is by default the first one, which is designing. So please change the context when you create the task. You can also come back and edit the task and change all the data if you want to. When creating a task, you probably have all the details in mind, so you rather change them, rather put the right values. Then, okay, so let's say give PHP development, provide a deadline, whichever is suitable, provide a name of project name. Let's give a demo title. Let's give a demo description. And this is something which is very important. Make sure that you assign the task to a user who's a part of the project. Once you've created a project, you've added users to the project, all the names that you have added to the project are in this drop down. So if you want this task to be addressed to someone, then make sure that you select the name of the person, so that the next time that person whom you're assigning the project to, when they log in and click on their my tasks, they can see the task that is assigned to them. Let's say we assign this task to Ashish, and now what is the status thing? You can change the status from 20 to 100, and if a task status is 100, then it is automatically closed. You can use the drop down here to change the status, or from the dashboard itself. You need not come and edit the task. You can just click on this clickable blocks under the status column in the dashboard for each task, and each of them are 20% updates for a status of a task. So that's 20, 40, 60, 80 and 100. If you click on the fifth one, the task is closed. Let's save the task and proceed to see how we add a file. Now our task is created, and this is our task. Remember, we had set a high priority, so it's 2 now, and we had set this for Ashish, so this is where it is. It's the user now right now is Ashish. Let's click on the task. So when you click on the task, you're taken to this tabbed menu. Click on files and click on this link, upload new file. Now you can my browser is ruining me. Well, from here you could have added a file and clicked on open, and it would have come over here. Hang on, I'll just restart my browser. well, let's go back. Click on task, click on files, click on upload new file. I don't believe this. I just don't believe this. Well, I guess you guys know by now, so please upload a file like that, and well, that's about it. I'll restart the browser and show you what the my task thing is, and this time we can log with Ashish's username and password so that we check. Is my task. Now let's log in with Ashish's username and password, since we just assigned the demo task to Ashish. So when he logs in, he's getting to see all the tasks because he's the administrator. But if he clicks on my tasks, he will get to see only the tasks that are assigned to him. There you go. We had assigned this task to him, so he's getting to see this task. There's all other tasks assigned to him, so he's again getting that in the list. So basically everyone has to use this my tasks tab to understand what tasks are assigned to them. So even when you change a task, even suppose Ashish has done his job for this task, he can again click on the task, go to edit, and he wants Bill to comment on what he's written. Then you can just change the user, and this task will now be replaced rather to my tasks of Bill. Well, that's all for now. I'm sorry about my browser issues. I controlled the upload thing, but then that's how it works. If you have any more questions, please mail me. I'll again send you some video tutorials like this. Thank you.